So I hear that being said a lot about nurses and health workers in general. They say, oh, when I went to the hospital, they didn't mind me. I will not dispute that in every workplace, there are some people who do not have patience and who have bad characteristics. But our situation sometimes is very different. And sometimes we just need the public to just relax. Just know that we have your best interest at heart. And know that we came to work to help save lives. We will not do a bad thing to you. Just 2 weeks ago, I had a patient's husband who was screaming all over the place because we said the wife needs to have a cesarean section done. Whilst the exchange was going on, we're trying to calm him down. An emergency came in, so we go and attend to the emergency. He's standing there and he thinks, they've left my wife here. But you don't have the education and the, you don't know what we know sometimes. So we can tell from this patient's vitals, if we don't attend to this patient now, we could lose that patient. Yeah. But your wife is stable enough. But to him, you have just left his wife. So they would say, oh, and I went to the hospital and they didn't even mind me. No, we triage patients and we know that this person has just 5 minutes. Right. And for you, if we leave you for an hour, still we can take care of you. And also when it comes to the public health centers, we need you to be extra patient. Okay. Why? Because we don't have all the resources. Sometimes there are many times we take money out of our own pockets to buy medications and stuff for the patients. Yeah, so we don't have all we need. We don't have all the resources. So it will seem like we're running around a lot, but sometimes they believe they are pastors before us. I know. And sometimes they'll say, oh, my pastor says don't touch her, you know, and they behave like they don't trust us.
And I'm sure that's one of the biggest challenges you have in these medical centers, religion versus medicine.
Yes. So I've always said that, I mean, I love pastors who say, I've prayed for you, go to the hospital and let the doctor attend to you. Or the pastor will say to you, please go to the hospital. We will back you up with prayers. Because guess what? It is the same God who gave us the knowledge. It is the same God who gives us the strength every day to come to work and take care of you.
I told you that this type of field thrives on some divine calling. If God hasn't called you to do it, you won't be able to do it. Wow.